The Parachutist and the Yacht. The sun is rising and the clouds are blowing gently to the left. Look, there's a plane flying high in the sky, and a parachutist twirling round by and by. Down he falls and into the water, splish splosh. What shall he do? Will he survive? Ha! A boat, a yacht, coming his way. Will he stop and see him? Will he save the day? Yes! Over he goes and picks up the parachutist, and off they go. And now night begins to fall, and the moon comes out and the stars begin to twinkle. How pretty it is, how pretty it is. And what has become of the parachutist? Will we ever know? Back with the sunshine and the clouds, and the yachtist and the parachutist are having fun as they sail across the seas. Off they go, bye bye. The end. A very short story by Paul Thompson.